So this is a continuation from the previous video where we started discussing about trading plan, your Forex trading plan. So in this video, I'm just going to give you some guidelines how to go about creating your trading plan. The first thing you have to do is you have to outline your motivation. Okay? By outlining your motivation, basically what you'll be doing is you'll be telling yourself, why am I doing this? Why do I want to become a trader? Why do I want to trade Forex? How much time in the day you want to give to this business on a daily basis? Now, Forex market is open from Mondays to Fridays, and if you are based in the UAE, and the London session starts from 11 a.m. until about 1 p.m. New York session starts from 4 p.m. until about 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. in the evening. So the goal about all this Forex for me personally is about freedom. I want the freedom to be able to make some money at my own convenience. So you can choose between New York or London session for 2 to 3 hours every day, and then you trade, make some money for yourself. You don't have to spend the entire day only to trade. You can do it in 2-3 hours maximum. Okay? So the first goal is your motivation. Why do I want to do this? And how much time do I want to do this? Now, once you have decided why you want to do it, you have to decide how much time you're going to commit to it every day. Are you willing to commit 2 to 3 hours, be it on the London session or the New York session? Number 3, you're going to define what goals are important for you in doing this business, right? Am I going to invest $10,000 and I'm looking by the end of the year, if I grow it 1% a month, I want to grow it this $10,000 at 1% a month, or 1% a day, or 5% a day. You have to set those goals for yourself. Now, another factor you have to consider will be the risk to reward ratio. What is the perfect condition for you to take a trade? Will it be only setups who are going to give you 1 to 4, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3? So you have to decide your risk to reward ratio in order to take a trade. If I'm risking 5 pips, I must make 15 pips. If I'm risking 5 pips, I must make 20 pips. If I'm risking 5 pips, I must make 10 pips. You have to determine your risk to reward ratio. What is the capital you have to start? Now, to make money, you must spend money. There's no way you are going to invest $100 and you expect to make $1,000. You will blow that account in no time, right? But 1% of $1,000 is money you can. 1% of $1,000 is roughly $10. Now imagine 1% of $10,000. That's $100. So with $10,000, you can make $100 a day for 20 days. That's $2,000 in a month, which definitely tells you that in 5 months you are broke even. And then from the 6th month, whatever you are trading is just the profit at that point in time. Now, after that, you have to determine your market knowledge. How good do you understand the Forex terminology? How good do you understand the platform you are using, the broker you are using, the strategy you are using? How good do you understand all this, your market knowledge? And finally, you have to keep a diary of what you do. Each trade you take, you have to you have to tell yourself why you are taking this trade, what opportunities you saw, what was the benefit you think it will give to you, what setup you saw, and is it going to be an intraday, is it going to be an interday, is it going to be a swing trade? You have to determine all those factors before taking the trade. And if you have decided to take that trade, you have to know at what point you have to enter the trade and at what point you have to exit the trade. These are things you have to know in advance. So, in a nutshell, I'll just summarize everything now. Number one, you have to know how much time you can set aside for trading Forex. Never spend more than 3 hours per session. And you have to decide also which currency pairs you want to trade. Personally, I trade GBP JPY. Occasionally, I trade gold. Occasionally, I trade US 30. Those three. But every day, which is a trading day, I look for setups on British pound, Japanese yen. That is all. Also, you have to determine the size of your position. Are you going to risk only 1% of your account every trade, or you want to be able to take more risk? And some people in their trading career, they only buy, they never sell. So whatever pair they are trading, they look for only for buy setups. They never look for sell setups. Other people, they're very flexible, buy or sell as much as the setup meets their criteria, they're in the trade. So these are just some of the things you have to consider when you decide to come into this business. I hope this video has been informative to you, and I wish you a wonderful day.